Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm out here and the birds have been building nests. These are from last year. And since it's springtime and the birds are showing up again, I need to clean out the old nesting material that they no longer use. And there's quite a bit of it in there. Now it's funny, this is the only nest that they use. They like that one, they like the purple one. They never nest in the red, blue, and these are just fakes. They don't have any hole in them. It's just a painted on wax spot. And now that nest is ready for birds again. They evidently like little sticks. This is the only birdhouse that I had to clean this morning. I've got others that I have to repair, but this is the only one that the birds were using that isn't broken. I have to fix some holes in some other ones. I got woodpeckers. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.